Guys, this is the real deal. I have done some digging and this is for you. I found a bike. There's this bike. Just hold on a sec and I'll tell you all about it. Just hold on to that thought because I need to clarify something. Our goal is to become a one-stop shop for all things motorcycle content here in Kenya and beyond. First, we want to reach 1 million people, but we can't without your help. So subscribe to join GTalio family, like and share to promote this video. Thank you very much. Drink some water. So there's this new wave of adventure riders that is growing so fast and is going to shape the motorcycle industry for years to come. These riders want something simple, lightweight, comfortable, but still offering enough power to take them wherever they want without much of any worries. And here's the point. I have been a biker for some time now and I've come to learn something about what a great adventure bike is. It is not the specs, it is not the CC. It is a balance between power delivery, weight, comfort, and reliability. Of course, price is in there. Believe me, this is a big deal in the adventure bike industry. In fact, the motorcycle industry has missed out on this for years, and I don't know why, but this is about to change because I found the bike. You see, most high-cc bikes are heavy and low-cc bikes are lighter, right? And that is expected. Of course, there must be enough weight to support all that amount of torque and horsepower. But there's a problem with this industry standard. For a pro bike rider, only bikes from 800cc and above are considered expert level bikes, meaning this is the range where they feel served. This is where they can explore whatever use case scenario they wish to in their pro level endeavors without stretching the bike beyond its limits. But these bikes are usually very heavy. Take Ichi Boots for instance. She is a living legend of the game. She has conquered over 109 countries on a motorcycle. And what is her motorcycle of choice, you may ask? A 1987 Yamaha Tenere 600. Yet, she has the money to buy the new model with new tech and way superior specs. But she ditched them all. But why? In fact, Yamaha recently loaned or leased her the latest Yamaha Tenere 700 T7, which she used to explore England, Scotland and Wales, or the United Kingdom if you want. Yet, Ichi Boots didn't seem to enjoy the new model as compared to her classic 1987 Yamaha Tenere 600. But why? Well, it says here Ichi Boots, aka Noral Schumacher, uses a heavily modified 1987 Yamaha XT600Z Tenere, nicknamed Frankie of course, for her travels. Her choice of the Tenere was for its reliability and fixability, allowing her to continue adventures in remote areas with clever repairs. I personally remember watching her say that the new model was heavier and that she had not even put up her usual luggage bags. But now, there is a bike. If you've been anywhere near the adventure motorcycle world lately, you've probably heard the whispers, you've seen the forum posts, you definitely scroll past the photos, and it's all about one bike, the CFMOTO 450MT. For years, the mid-range adventure market felt a little predictable, but then CFMOTO dropped this bomb, and suddenly everyone, and I mean everyone, is taking notice. Why? What makes this 450cc twin so special that it got seasoned riders and newbies alike scratching their heads and reaching for their wallets? That's what we're driving into today. So what exactly is the 450MT? At its heart, it's CFMOTO bold entry into the high competitive sub 500cc adventure touring segment. It is designed to bridge the gap between smaller, more off-road focused dual sports and larger, heavier adventure bikes. Think of it as a genuine, capable, accessible and surprisingly feature-rich package that aims to give you the best of both worlds. Usually it is aggressive but refined. It doesn't scream cheap, it screams ready for adventure. We are looking at a modern, rally-inspired design with good ground clearance, decent suspension travel and proportions that suggest it means business for both on and off the pavement. Let's talk about the beating heart of the machine. The engine is a 449cc liquid-cooled parallel twin derived from the CFMOTO successful 450NK and the 450SS platforms, but retuned specifically for adventure duties. We're looking at around 44 horsepower and 44 Newton meters of torque. Now on paper, that might not sound like earth-shattering numbers, but here is where it gets interesting.
Hey Buddha, mambo? GPO?
Si hapo kwa GPO.
Like kwenye mtu anachukua hizo PO box. Post office. Ni hii.
Huduma Center.
Nataka ya post office. Ni same building.
Si ni yenye inafuata hiyo iko hapa zimeshikana.
Oh, zimeshikana. Alafu bikes tunapaki wapi?
Bike utaweka hapa.
Oh, hapa. Sawa.
Usable power band. Unlike some high-revving twins, the engine is tuned for a strong linear power delivery, low down and through the mid-range. That's crucial for off-road, giving you predictable throttle response and the ability to crawl over obstacles without constantly slipping the clutch. Smoothness. Parallel twins generally offer a good balance of power and smoothness, and CFMOTO has done a great job here. Vibration is well managed, making longer rides more comfortable. Reliability and proven platform. The base engine is already well regarded in CFMOTO sports and naked bikes, giving riders confidence in this durability. Fuel efficiency. Smaller displacement twins generally offer better fuel economy than their larger counterparts, which is a big plus for adventure touring when fuel stops can be a few and far between. This engine isn't about winning drag races, it's about providing confident, tractable power for the kind of diverse riding an adventure bike demands. And CFMOTO has absolutely nailed that one. Suspension and chassis. An adventure bike is only as good as its suspension and chassis. And here, the 450 really starts to shine, especially when you consider its price point. Up front, we have the KYB 41mm upside down forks that are fully adjustable for preload compression and rebound. That's a huge deal. Most bikes in this category offer only basic adjustability, if any. Being able to fine-tune your suspension to your weight, luggage and terrain makes a massive difference to comfort and control.
Hey boss, mambo? Nataka poster services. Nataka kuchukua PO box. Ni hapa.
Kupitia hiyo barabara ya ndani.
Oh, ya ndani? Niingie hivi. Haya, kitu kingine ni bike na paki wapi?
Huko iko parking.
So
Pikipiki ama bicycle? Pikipiki.
Ile pikipiki pale.
Asunguka hivi kuna gate yao ya kuingia huko. Unaona hiyo mlango ya blue hiyo nyumba ya blue. Kuna gate yao ya kuingia pale.
So nipite tu hivi?
Pita hivi uingie hapa. Katikati kuna barabara hapa katikati.
Mbele ya hii bus stop. Thank you very much. Your name is? Gilbert. Ciao.
At the rear, there is a KYB monoshock, also fully adjustable for preload, compression and rebound. This level of adjustability front and rear is frankly astounding for a bike in this class. Travel numbers are equally impressive too. 200mm, nearly 8 inches at both ends. This translates to excellent ground clearance and the ability to soak up bumps, nuts and small jumps off-road without bottoming out. The chassis itself is a high-strength steel frame offering a good balance of riding and flex. It feels stable at speed but agile enough for the tight trails. And let's not forget about the wheels, a 21-inch front and 18-inch rear tubeless spoked wheel setup. This is the gold standard of off-road capability, allowing you to run lower tire pressures for better grip and easily clear obstacles. Plus, tubeless spokes means easier puncture repairs on the go.
Kidogo tu boss. Mambo? Piti.
This is where the 450MT truly punches above its weight. CFMOTO hasn't skipped on the features, delivering a package that rivals bikes costing significantly more. The 5-inch TFT display is a bright, clear, full-color display that provides all the essential information. Switchable ABS, crucial for off-road riding. You can easily disable the rear ABS and potentially the front on some markets and models with the push of a button, allowing for better braking control on loose surfaces. Traction control, which is an added layer of safety and control, especially on slippery roads or trails. USB charging ports, both Type C and Type A, so you can charge your phone, GPS or action camera on the go. Full LED lightings, which are modern, bright and energy efficient lighting all around. Adjustable windscreen that offers decent wind protection and can be raised or lowered to suit rider's height and preference. Handguards and bash plates for essential protection for both the rider and the bike when venturing off-road. These are often extra cost accessories on other bikes.
The other gate. Poster. Oh, hii mbele. Thank you very much. Oh, mbele kabisa si. Okay, nyuma hiyo Nissan. Aya, thank you.
These aren't just minor add-ons, they are genuinely useful features that enhance the riding experience and increase the bike's versatility.
Poster services.
It really makes you feel like you are getting a premium experience without the premium price tag.
Habari zenu? Mambo? Nataka poster services. Sawa, nikitoka. On the left. Thank you.
Adventure riding often means long days in the saddle, so comfort is paramount. The 450MT features a well-padded, relatively flat seat that allows for easy movement front to back. The seat height is 820mm or 32.3 inches, which is manageable for a wide range of riders. And CFMOTO often offers a lower seat options too. The handlebar position is wide and high, providing an upright and comfortable riding posture that is great for both standing on the foot pegs, off-road, and cruising on the highway. The footpeg position is also well calibrated for both sitting and standing. Wind protection from the adjustable screen is surprisingly good for a bike in this size, reducing fatigue on longer stretches. Vibration levels from the parallel twin are also well controlled, contributing to an overall comfort. Overall, it feels like CFMOTO has put a lot through into making this bike accessible and comfortable for a broad audience, from seasoned adventurers to those just getting into the game. This is the elephant in the room. The CFMOTO 450MT offers an incredible package of features, performance and capability, all at a price point that is genuinely disruptive. While exact pricing varies by region, it consistently undercuts its direct competitors. Think of KTM 390 Adventure, Kawasaki V6 300 and Royal Enfield 450 Himalayan, while often offering more in terms of suspension, adjustability, power and modern features. For riders looking to get into adventure touring without breaking the bank, or for experienced riders who want a lighter, more agile second bike, the 450MT is an incredibly compelling option. You are not just getting a budget bike, you are getting a properly engineered, well-spec machine that doesn't make you feel like you are compromising. This bike isn't just about saving money, it's about getting more bike for your money. And that's why it is shaking up the entire mid-range adventure segment. So who should be eyeing the CFMOTO 450? Well, for me this is the list. New adventure riders, accessible power, manageable weight and good ergonomics make it a fantastic learning platform. Experienced riders downsizing. If you are tired of wrestling a 500-pound beast off-road, The 450MT offers genuine compatibility in a much lighter package. Commuters who want weekend adventures. It is practical enough for daily use but ready to hit the trails when the weekend comes. Budget-conscious adventurers. You want proper features and performance without the premium price tag. Globetrotting explorers. Its simplicity, robust engine and ease of maintenance could make it an interesting option for long-distance travel. If any of these sounds like you, then you absolutely need to add the CFMOTO 450MT to your shortlist. It's a genuine contender, not just a budget alternative. So there you have it guys, a deep dive into why CFMOTO 450MT is the adventure motorcycle that everyone is suddenly talking about. From its capable engine and excellent suspension to its surprising array of features and incredible value, this bike is a true game changer in the mid-range segment. What do you guys think of the 450MT? Let me know in the comment section below. Have you ridden one? Are you planning to buy one? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more adventure content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next upload. Until then, ride safe and happy trails.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.